Myself Narasimha, Senior Lecturer in Botany, Narayana Educational Institutions from Hyderabad. So today we will discuss about Kingdom Monira. So Kingdom Monira first proposed by Ernest Haeckel in fourth kingdom of biological classification. So in this kingdom Monira, okay, all prokaryotes, next unicellular, next another is the most primitive organisms. It's called as Monira. What is the definition of Monira? All prokaryotic, unicellular, most primitive organisms. Next another one is the first, okay, primitive organisms on earth. It's called as Monira. These Monira organisms are, okay, nucleus is absent, cell membrane organelles, membrane organelles, okay, organelles absent. Membrane organelles are absent as well as nucleus is absent. These Monira organisms are consist cell wall compounds are made by peptidoglycan. The peptidoglycan made by two compounds, N-acetyl glucosamine plus N-acetyl muramic acid. It's made by beta 1,3 glycosidic bonds. These organisms are maximum asexual reproduction, but rare sexual reproduction. Okay, so these Moniras are asexual reproduction is common, but rare is a sexual reproduction. Next, the Moniras are, okay, autotrophs, chemotrophs, parasites, symbiotic, saprophytes. What is the mode of nutrition in this kingdom Monira? Autotrophs, chemoautotrophs, parasites, symbiotic as well as saprophytes. In this Monira, what are the organisms? What are the classes? So first one is the archaebacteria, next eubacteria, next another one is the blue-green algae or cyanobacteria, next another is the PPLO or mycoplasma, next another one is the actinomycetes. Okay, what are the organisms are present in this kingdom Monira? Archaebacteria. Second one is the eubacteria. Third one is the blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. Next one is the pleuronectar pneumonia-like organisms. Pneumonia-like organisms are mycoplasma or MPMLO, mycoplasma-like organisms. Next, another is the actinomycetes. The actinomycetes, it's also called as ray fungi. So then we will discuss about archaebacteria. Archaebacteria. The archae means old. Bacteria means rod-like structure. Old rod-like structure. Okay, rod-like structure, it's called as archaebacteria. The archaebacteria, it can survive. The archaebacteria, it can survive. Okay, so everywhere, the archaebacteria, it can survive everywhere. But it can survive, okay, Methylophilus. Next, another is the Halophilus. Next, another is the Thermophilus. Okay, what are the types of in this archaebacteria? Methylophilus, as well as Halophilus, as well as Thermophilus. These bacteria consist cell wall made by the archaebacteria cell wall made by pseudomurine. Okay, pseudomurine. Okay, so the cell wall is made by pseudomurine. Next, this archaebacteria cell wall made by pseudomurine. Next, another is in this archaebacteria sexual reproduction is absent. Okay, sexual reproduction is absent. In this archaebacteria, okay, this archaebacteria, first one is the Methylophilus. The Methylophilus present in these cows as well as buffaloes. Okay, cows. In these cows, ruminant. Okay, ruminant. The Methylophilus bacteria main function, it's digestion of cellulose compounds. Okay, simplified. Okay, now. So the archaebacteria, Methylophilus bacteria, okay, present in cows as well as in ruminant. Next, its main function, digestion of cellulose compounds. Okay, its releases, okay, CH4, methane, as well as CO2, as well as hydrogen gases. Okay, the Methylophilus bacteria, it produces methane. So that's why it's using in this biogas. It's releasing biogas. This is the Methylophilus bacteria. Next, another one is the second one is the Halophilus bacteria. Okay, Halophilus bacteria, it can live in salt area. Okay, it can live in salt area. Best example is the sea. Okay, next another one is the salt lakes. Okay, so this bacteria can live in salt areas. Next, another is this bacteria, it consists of bacteriorhodopsin. The bacteriorhodopsin, it's equal to human being eye. Okay, human eye. Okay, so the bacteriorhodopsin present in this Halophilus, okay, then it's living in only salt area. These bacteria consist of bacteriorhodopsin. The bacteriorhodopsin, it's equal to human being eye retina. retina. So this halophilus bacteria example is the halobacterium. So halobacterium. Next another is the third type bacteria, archaebacteria, thermophilus bacteria. Thermophilus archaebacteria. The thermophilus archaebacteria, it can live in 80 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, the thermophilus bacteria, it can live 80 degrees Celsius temperature, and pH is the 2. This bacteria, it releases that polymerase enzyme. Okay, polymerase enzyme. Next another is the thermophilus bacteria. Okay, so it's present in this, okay, hot spring. Okay, it can live in hot spring. The thermophilus bacteria example, thermophilus bacteria. Okay, these are the archaebacterial types. What are the types of archaebacterial type? One is the methylophilus, second one is the halophilus, next one is the thermophilus. Methylophilus can release methane gases, carbon dioxide as well as hydrogen. These bacteria are used in biogas production. Next one is the halophilus. It can live in salt areas. Okay, so it consists bacteriorhodopsin. It's equal to human eye. Okay, next another one is the thermophilus. This thermophilus, it can live, temperature is 80 degrees Celsius temperature, pH is the 2. Next, it's releases that polymerase enzyme. This enzyme using in this polymerase chain reaction. Okay, this bacteria can live highest temperature. It's called as hot spring bacteria. Best example is a thermophilus bacteria. So now we will discuss about bacteria. Okay, bacteria. The bacteria, it's also called as eubacteria. The bacteria, it's also called as eubacteria. It's first coined. The bacteria first coined by Herenberg. The bacteria first coined by Herenberg. Next, the bacteria animalcules called by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. First, the bacteria coined by Herenberg. Next one is Antony van Leeuwenhoek called as animalcules. What is the meaning of bacteria? Bacteria means rod-like structures. The bacteria cell wall made by bacteria cell wall made by peptidoglycan. Okay, the peptidoglycan, it's majorly two components, N-acetyl, okay, glucosamine plus N-acetyl, okay, muramic acid. Both are consist in this beta 1,4 glycosidic bonds. Beta 1,4 glycosidic bonds. These glycosidic bonds, okay, here, next, in this beta 1,4 glycosidic bonds, okay, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, here is the 5, 6. So in this 1,4, this bond is called as beta 1,4 glycosidic bonds are present in this peptidoglycan. These bacteria are absent nucleus. The bacteria absent in this nucleus, but it consists naked DNA. Okay, naked DNA. It's present in this naked DNA. In this bacteria are Christian gram. Scientist stained. The bacteria are two types: gram positive bacteria. Next another one is a gram negative bacteria. Then what is the procedure of this gram positive bacteria as well as gram negative bacteria? First of all, we are taking a card. Okay, first we are taking a card. This card we are taking in this slide. Okay, we are prepared in this smear. Okay, and slide. Next another one is we are giving heat. Then after we are adding crystal violet. Okay, so the crystal violet, after we are giving iodine. Okay, we are giving iodine. Then after we are washing. Okay, we are washing with running water. Next another one is the crystal violet. Second one is the iodine. Next another one is the acetone or ethanol. Okay, next it releases saffron. This bacteria, it gives purple color bacteria. Purple color. Next another one is the red color bacteria. Okay, so bacteria. Next this is the bacteria. This bacteria, purple color bacteria, it's called as gram positive bacteria. Next another one is the red color bacteria, it's called as gram negative bacteria. So this is the staining. Okay, gram staining, Christian gram staining. What is the process of this gram staining? First we are taking a drop. Okay, in this card, 1 drop of card we are taking. Then we are preparing a smear on slide. Okay, then smear on slide. This is the smear. Next another is we are giving a heat. Okay, we are giving heat. Then we are adding a Christian violet. Okay, Christian violet stain. It. Then after we are washing. Okay, we are washing. Then after we are adding iodine. Then when we are adding iodine, decolored. Okay, decolored. Then after we are adding acetone or ethanol. Then we are adding safranine. After safranine, it shows 2 colors of bacteria. One is a purple color bacteria. It's called as gram positive bacteria. Second one is a red color bacteria. It's called as gram negative bacteria. So this is the crystal violet staining procedure. Then after, in these bacteria are not having any cell organelles. Okay, these bacteria are not having any cell organelles, but cell membrane involves in respiration. The cell consists respiratory enzymes. The cell membrane, it consists respiratory enzymes. These bacteria are involved in this. Okay, what are the types of nutrition? Okay, one is photoautotrophic, photoautotrophs. Next another is photoheterotrophs. Next another is chemoautotrophs. Next another is chemoheterotrophs. Okay, what next another is saprophytes as well as parasites. Okay, so these are the mode of nutrition in this bacteria. So then after in this bacteria, what is the cell structure? Okay, so this bacteria cell structure. Okay, so see here, this is the bacterial structure. Then this is the villi. Okay, villi or fibrio. Next another is the cell outer layer. It's called as S layer or slime layer. Next another is the cell membrane. Okay, the cell membrane, it's modified into mesosome. Okay, the mesosome main function, it's involved in these two functions are there. One is the respiration, second one is the binary fission. Okay, what are the function of mesosome? The mesosome main function, two functions. One is the respiration, second one is the binary fission. The mesosome modified part, it's a cell membrane. This is the naked DNA. Next another one is this is the plasmid. Okay, this is the plasmid. The plasmid main function antibiotic. The plasmid main function antibiotic nature. Next another is this bacteria, it consists of 70S ribosomes. The bacteria, it consists 70S ribosomes. This is the food granules. Okay, granules. Next another one is this is the flagella. Okay, this is the flagella. So next another one is okay, these are the structure of this bacteria. So in this bacteria, the villi utility in this motile. Next another one is it's also using in this sexual reproduction. Next another is this naked DNA. Okay, the genetic material transferred through naked DNA. Next another is this DNA. Next 70S ribosomes. These bacteria are Moniras. Only 70S ribosomes are there. Next another is plasmid. What is the function of plasmid? It's a antibiotic nature. So next another is this plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane. The plasma membrane. Okay, when we are giving penicillin injection, so the penicillin injection going to damage this plasma membrane. How it can damage means this cell wall. Okay, peptidoglycan. The peptidoglycan 1,4 beta glycosidic bonds going to damage. So that's why when we are remove this cell wall, the bacteria are going to death. Okay, the bacteria are going to death. That is the penicillin works on this cell wall, especially about peptidoglycan. Next another one is the type or shapes of bacteria. Okay. Now we will discuss about shape of bacteria. Shape. Okay, shape. So the bacteria shape. Okay. See, first of all, cocci. Okay. The bacteria, round shaped bacteria, it's called as cocci. Round shaped bacteria, it's called as cocci. Next another is this cocci is a monococcus. Monococcus. Next, another one is a monococcus means only one bacteria. Round shaped only one bacteria. It's called as monococcus. Second one is the dicoccus. Dicoccus. Next, the dicoccus are two round shaped bacteria. It's called as dicoccus. Next, another is the tetracoccus. 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 Four bacteria are arranged. Okay, so that it's called as tetracoccus. This is the round shaped bacteria. It's called as coccus. Okay, then another one is the next another is the bacillus. Bacillus. Okay, this is this type of bacteria. Okay, rod shaped bacteria. It's called as bacillus. Okay, this rod shape. Okay, only one is there, that it's called, this is the monobacillus. Monobacillus. Okay, monobacillus means this is the monobacillus. Next, another one is the dibacillus. Dibacillus. So here is two bacteria are there. Okay, here is there. Next another is the tetrabacillus. Tetrabacillus. Four bacillus bacteria. Okay, so attached with this, in this it's called as bacillus. Next another one is the vibrio bacteria. The vibrio bacteria, comma shaped bacteria. Okay, comma shaped bacteria, it's called as vibrio bacteria. Next another one is the spiral bacteria. Spiral bacteria. The spiral bacteria, this like bacteria, it's called as spring shape. Okay, spring shape bacteria, it's called as spiral bacteria. This type of bacteria it's called as spiral bacteria. Example spirillum. Okay, so this is the shape of this bacteria. What are the shapes? One is the cocci, second one is the bacillus, third one is the vibrio, fourth one is the spiral bacteria. So the cocci bacteria, it's a round shaped bacteria. Bacillus bacteria, it's a rod shaped bacteria. Vibrio, it's a comma shaped bacteria. Next, spiral spring structure bacteria are there. So these bacteria are not having any flagellas. Next, rod shaped bacteria may be present, flagella are not. Next, vibrio, there is no flagella, it's a comma shaped bacteria are there. Next, the spiral shaped bacteria, it consists flagellas are there. So this is the shape of bacteria. Then we will discuss about nutrition of bacteria, respiration and nutrition. So then respiration. Okay, respiration. So this bacteria respiration, majorly they are categorized four types. Okay, one is the obligate aerobes. Next one is the obligate anaerobe. Next another is the facultative aerobe. Next another is the facultative anaerobe bacteria. Based on this respiration, these bacteria are four types. So first of all, obligate aerobe. This bacteria can respire. Okay, respire only with oxygen. Okay, with oxygen. Best example is the bacillus. Okay, bacillus bacteria. So obligate aerobe bacteria means This bacteria can respire only with oxygen. So best example is the bacillus bacteria. Next other is the obligate anaerobe. Okay, obligate anaerobe means it can respire. It can respire. Okay, with the oxygen. Respire aerobe. Aerobe. But also it can respire. Also it can respire anaerobe. So best example is Clostridium. The Clostridium, what are the special character of Clostridium? Normally it can respire aerobic because it can utilize oxygen, but it also respire anaerobic condition. Best example is the Clostridium. So only it's depend on oxygen, it's called as obligate aerobe. Best example is the bacillus bacteria. Obligate anaerobe, it can respire aerobic because it can utilize oxygen, but also it can respire anaerobe. Best example is the Clostridium. Next one is the facultative aerobe. It can respire. This bacteria can respire anaerobic. Okay, this bacteria it can respire anaerobic, but it can also live in it can utilize oxygen molecule. Best example is chlorobium. So this is the best example. Next one is facultative aerobic. The facultative aerobic, this bacteria can respire. Okay, so aerobic condition, but also it can respire. But also it can respire in aerobic condition. So what is the meaning of this facultative anaerobic bacteria? Means this bacteria it can respire aerobic normally, but this bacteria also it can respire, okay, it can live anaerobic condition. Example is the Pseudomonas bacteria also it can respire aerobic condition and anaerobic condition. So what are the example? What are the types of respiration in this bacteria? So in this respiration completely it's depend on this mesosome. Okay, the bacteria respiration depend on this mesosome. The mesosome developed from cell membrane. The cell membrane it consists of respiratory enzymes. So one is the obligate aerobe, second one is the obligate anaerobe, third one is the facultative aerobe, fourth one is the facultative anaerobe. The four types of bacteria are respiration involves in this, in this bacteria. So this is the respiration. Next another is the nutrition. In bacteria nutrition, majorly it categorized four types. Okay, so four types. In these four types, one is the photoautotrophic. Okay, one is the photoautotrophic, one is the photoheterotrophic, next chemoautotropic, chemoheterotrophic. Then we will discuss about respiration as well as nutrition. Okay.